The GTXpro will show this screen to prompt you to clean the caps, wipers, and nozzle guards. To verify which prompts you currently have on the printer, from Standby, press the right arrow key to view the prompts. For this particular process, ensure that the cap wiper cleaning and please clean nozzle guards prompts or errors are both present. For this process, you will need GTX cleaning solution, a small cup for the cleaning solution, several cleaning stick T's, cleaning stick R's, and a pair of rounded tweezers. And finally, a pair of gloves. To access the maintenance menu, you can press Menu OK or any arrow button on the control panel. Use the arrows to navigate to Maintenance and press OK. Then select Maintenance Parts Clean Replace and press OK. And then finally, select Error and Warning Parts. Press OK to continue. The platen will move and the print head carriage will undock from the maintenance station. You may now power off the GTXpro. Be sure to clean within 15 minutes to prevent the print heads from drying. With the GTXpro powered off, you may now open the cover. Gently roll the print head carriage away from the maintenance station by hand. To clean the print heads, you will use a clean stick R and a cup of cleaning solution. Wet your cleaning stick and carefully clean off the metal guards surrounding the print head. Start by cleaning the zones marked in blue. It's also a good idea to carefully clean Zone 6 in green. However, it is very important not to touch the nozzles with your cleaning stick. The main objective here is to remove ink buildup. Remember, it is important to avoid this area marked in red while cleaning. Once you've finished on the white print head, take a fresh clean stick R dipped in cleaning solution and move on to the color print head. Now you can move on to cleaning the wipers and caps. You may want to remove the wiper cleaners to give yourself more room to work. For this step, you will use a clean stick T dipped in cleaning solution. Use the wet clean stick T to clean on both sides of the wiper. You can use a lint-free cloth to clean off your clean stick as you work. You can also use the rounded tweezers to carefully remove dried ink debris. The black silicone lips of the two suction caps should be cleaned with a fresh clean stick T dipped in GTX cleaning solution. It is necessary to remove the buildup of excess ink located on the edges of the caps. It will prevent air leakage and maintain optimal suction of the pumps. Be careful not to touch the foam. You also need to clean the exhaust caps located adjacent to the suction caps. Using a fresh clean stick T dipped in cleaning solution, repeat these steps on the CMYK wiper, suction cap, and exhaust cap. Dispose of the used cleaning solution into the waste tank. Dispose of all ink-contaminated waste in accordance with all applicable laws. Once you are finished, you can reseat the wiper cleaner, close the lid, and power on the printer.